creators, I'm super excited to share the new Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog with you. It goes live September 4th and it expires on January 2nd. So I wanted to share one of the Halloween papers that's in there, since Halloween's the next holiday coming up. And it's called Monster Bash. And it has some pretty cute things here that you can fussy cut. And if you're not into fussy cutting, there are a few dies that cut out some of these images on this page. And there's a stamp set that coordinates with this as well. So I'm just going to show you some of the patterns. And we'll flip those over on the back side. I think this paper is so cute, and I love the versatility of these type of patterns because these don't have to be used for Halloween. You can use them for a lot of different things. So the project that I made today is a home decor piece, and I used this little vampire, and I fussy cut one of the potion bottles from that other sheet, this sheet here, and a couple of the other bottles from this, and some of the books from this. So the project that I created using items that I found at the dollar store, I'll show you the items and then I'll show you the project I made. So I got this package of glitter balls, a package of Spanish moss. I found these terrariums and a pack of glitter spiders. And I also grabbed a box of toothpicks. Let me go ahead and show you the project. I did find a package of this as well, and they have it in white, or this cream color, and black, so you have your choices there. And that is the project. There's a glitter spider, and I just used hot glue to attach all this on. And just a little tip to show you what I did with the glitter balls. So I just used the toothpick, I stuck it into the glitter ball, and I had those fussy cut images, and I broke the toothpick down to be the right size, and I glued my image on there. I added hot glue to the ball. I wrapped it with the Spanish moss so you couldn't really see it. And then I had to just put hot glue here and stick it inside the terrarium where I wanted it to go. And then you couldn't even really see that glitter ball. Obviously you can see them in the bottom where they're glued down, but from the front, it looks adorable. So if you happen to give this project a try, I would love to see it. You can always find me at mypaperparadise.com. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and of course you can always order from my Stampin' Up! Online store, and I'd so appreciate it. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys soon.